Yo, what's good, people? Happy New Year, happy new decade, in fact. We're entering the 20s. Right, now, to what I've got in this box right here. For those who are following my stories, back last year, I was invited by Timberland, one of the brands that I paid due reverence to for years, to go to their Carnaby Street store in Soho, London, and design my own pair of 6-inch boots, which I regard as one of the most iconic items of footwear anyone can own, and they're so appropriate right now considering we're in the winter months. Now, these were meant to arrive a few months ago, but due to the fact of the logistical supply chain being affected by COVID, we've only just got them now, but that doesn't matter. I'm so amped, okay? Now, you can also design your own pair if you check out the website, because the store is shut. So go to the Timberland website and you can see these bad boys, and I think another couple of pairs. But, you know, I'm so amped up, so amped, because these are hard. Now, my friend here was the person who crafted these in the Dominican Republic. And now to the boots. Now, the 6-inch boot for me, it's synonymous with hip-hop culture. Throughout the 90s, rocked by how many people? Biggie, Craig Mack, you know, everyone was rocking these bad boys. And they still do now. And it's a design classic, as I said, worn by other people as well. Style aficionados, moms, pops, you know, young kids as well, if they're blessed and lucky. So just look at that. Look at the shape. I mean, seriously, how iconic is this? It's been ripped off, or inspired, should I say, other brands to do their own versions, but nothing beats the Timberland classic. Now let's go into what I did, employing the options available. I went for a smooth black leather upper, waterproof of course. Contrast red stitching here, red stitching on the pop here and on the hang tag. Then, of course, had to employ some camo because that's my flex, right? So we got a sort of greyish brown suede on the collar here, but then the green camo right here on the heel. A leather collar for the win. Had to go with the green camo laces as they're an option. And then also the KK1 embroidered right here for my initials. And then a two-tone gum sole. So yes, I hope you appreciate, because I think I'm kind of rocking the look right now that will drop heavy with these bad boys. But anyway, once again, to my Timberland fam, thank you very much for inviting me, because, you know, to get to a point where I was rocking these to right now, that means so much. And to you people out there, you can do your own versions as well, all right? So it's all love. Anyways, peace and love as always. Stay safe and stay healthy.